Hey, this is your tech expert with My Guys Know How, and today we're going to show you two quick ways to force quit an app on your Apple TV, depending on how you have your remote set up. Now, you might be wondering, why do I even need to close the apps on the Apple TV? Well, just like your phone or computer, apps running in the background can slow things down, freeze up, or cause glitches. If an app isn't responding or you just want a fresh start, force quitting an app can help get things running smoothly again for you. Let's go ahead and start with the first method. This one's for when your remote is set to click only mode in your Apple TV settings. If you're a client of ours and we've helped you set up your Apple TV, this is the setting you'll already have, so this is the method you want to use. To start, double press the TV button. This opens up the app switcher. You'll see all of your recently used apps. Use the click pad to scroll left or right to the app you want to close. Then, double-click the top key on the wheel to force quit the app, and you'll see it go up and vanish. That means it's been closed. And that's it. Now, if your remote is set to click and touch in the Apple TV settings, here's how to force quit an app using that gesture. Go ahead and double press the TV button to open up the app switcher. Swipe left or right on the touch surface to navigate to the app you want to close. Then simply swipe up. That will also show the app vanish away from the screen, and that means it's closed. And that's it. You have two methods of force quitting your apps to help get things running smoothly. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips from the pros at My Guys Know How.